Hey there, educators! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of geomorphic processes with 50, yes, 50 questions sure to spice up your geography lessons. Whether you're preparing for a quiz or just want to deepen your knowledge, these questions cover everything from weathering to landform development. Let's get started. First up, weathering. Question 1. What is weathering? It's the breakdown of rocks in situ, meaning right where they are without any movement. Now, which type of weathering involves freeze-thaw action? That would be physical or mechanical weathering. Chemical weathering, it works best in warm and wet climates. And the gas involved in carbonation weathering, that's carbon dioxide, biological weathering, it's when plants, animals or microbes break down rocks. Exfoliation, a type of physical weathering, peels layers off rocks. Hydrolysis affects feldspar in granite, turning it into clay. Oxidation mainly impacts rocks with iron. And where do you find salt crystal growth? In arid coastal environments. Moving on to erosion. Erosion is the wearing away and removal of rock by natural agents like water, wind, ice and gravity. Hydraulic action is when river water dislodges particles from the bed and banks. Abrasion, that's the scraping of rock surfaces by transported particles. Solution is when rock minerals dissolve in water. In glacial erosion, plucking happens when ice pulls away pieces of bedrock. Attrition in rivers. Rocks hitting each other and breaking into smaller pieces. Wind erosion dominates in deserts. Mass movement is driven by gravity, and landslides are the fastest of these movements. Now let's talk deposition. What is it? The laying down of material carried by wind, water or ice. River deposition usually happens when velocity decreases. Glacial deposition forms moraines and drumlins. Loess is fine silt deposited by wind. Longshore drift deposition forms spits. Floodplains, they're formed by river deposition during flooding. Deltas form at a river's mouth. The heaviest particles like gravel get deposited first in rivers. Alluvium is fertile soil deposited by rivers, and beaches, they're formed by wave deposition. Onto tectonics and uplift. Fold mountains are caused by convergent boundaries. Earthquakes, most common at transform and convergent boundaries. Isostasy, the balancing of Earth's crust due to weight changes. Volcanoes, mostly found at convergent and divergent boundaries. The Himalayas, they formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates. Uplift is the vertical rise of land due to tectonic forces. Subsidence is the sinking of Earth's surface. Rift valleys form at divergent boundaries. Fault scarps result from vertical displacement along a fault line, and plate tectonics explains plate movement. Finally, landform development. V-shaped valleys are formed by river erosion in upper courses. U-shaped valleys, formed by glacial erosion. Caves, arches and stacks form in coastal environments. Oxbow lakes form from river meandering and cutoff. Karst landscapes are shaped by chemical weathering of limestone. Sand dunes are formed by wind. Deltas form where rivers meet standing bodies of water. Lava plateaus or volcanic cones are created by volcanic lava flow. Cirques, or corries, are bowl-shaped features created by glacial deposition. And badlands, shaped primarily by erosion in arid regions. There you have it, 50 questions to master geomorphic processes. Use them in your classroom, share them with your students, and turn geography into an adventure. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.